Hello everyone, today I want to use my normal voice to solve here. So I believe you can hear me clearly out here. So we have the challenge before us here. The question is a to the power of 2 minus b to the power of 2 equal to 55. We are told that a and b belong to a set of positive integers here. Okay, so how do we solve this? Alright, so here we take our solution first, right? Alright. Now, what we do here, if you see a thing or expression of this kind, what comes to mind first is difference of 2 squared. We know that from our x to the power of 2, then minus y to the power of 2, this is equal to x plus y bracket plus then we have x minus y. This is what we call difference of 2 squared, right? Good. So we can rewrite this side of this expression in that format. So this could be written as our a plus our b in bracket. Then we have here a minus our b with bracket equal to the right hand side of the equation. We have to express it as a product of its prime numbers, right? So expressing this as a product of its prime factor, this is going to give us, let's divide our c here, we have 5. What can go is 5 here will give us 11, and what can go into this is 11, here we have 1. So that gives us 11 times 5, right? Good. Or we can say, let's take here 5 times our 11. Okay, because we are told that our a, b belong to a set of positive integers, then we are going to restrict ourselves to only this product here, okay? Because we can equally get our 55 as 1 times 5, or minus 1 times minus 5, right? Good. But being given this condition, we are restricting ourselves to this. But with this, it means that we can equate this to either 5 or 11, and we can equally equate this to either 5 or 11. But look at what we have here. We are having a here and we are having a here. We are having b here, we are having b here of the same value. Okay, so since we are told that this is a positive integer, our a and b are positive integer, so we cannot have our b to be minus, neither can we have our a to be minus. That will change the system. So with this condition given, it implies that our a plus b is greater than a minus b. So let's put that condition down. So here we know that our a plus b is greater than our a minus b. So if it is so, then we can rewrite this by saying that this times this will now be equal to 11 times 5. So can I have this, or this now implies that our a plus our b plus bracket, our a minus our b is equal to 11 times our 5. So what does that imply? It means that we equate these to our 11 and equate these to our 5. So let's solve some equations from here. So we have our a plus our b is equal to 11. Let's give this equation star. And there we have our a minus b is equal to 5. Let's give this equation star. Alright, now let's solve this simultaneous equation. Yeah, by adding equation 1 and 2. So if we add all this and this, will leave the system, and here we now have here to be 2a, then equal to, if we add this together, will give us 16. Simply divide by 2, then divide this by 2, cancel, then 2 here, 1, 2 here, we have 8. So we now have, therefore, our a is equal to 8. So this is a positive integer, right? So this is correct. So let's see how we get our b. And in solving for our b, we have to equate or substitute the value of a to either this equation, or we can put it into the main equation. That will still give us the correct answer. But let's simply put the value of a into equation star. So now say put a equal to 8, right, into equation star. So our equation star says that our a plus our b is equal to 11, right? So where our a is 8, so let's put down 8 plus our b equal to 11. So collect like, let's move this to this side to give you 11 minus our 8. So therefore, our b will now be equal to, so if we subtract 8 from 11, that will give us 3. Okay, so you have this to be 3. So this is the value of b, and you discover this is also a positive integer. And so we can conclude by saying that our a, comma, our b, right, is equal to bracket our 8, comma, our 3. Okay, so these are the integer solution to these equation, this algebraic math problem. Alright, so this brings us to the end of today's class. I decided to use my normal voice today because I have issue with my mic, and I will buy a new one. Alright, so thank you for watching Online Maths TV. Keep watching Online Maths TV even as we set out to roll out more videos on your way. Remember, Jigs does love you, and all of us at Online Maths TV love you. Bye. But until we see you in our next class, keep winning.